Hi, are you ready to transform the way your business connects with customers? So, artificial intelligence is transforming industries, enhancing human capability, and shaping the future. However, there is a saying with great power comes with great responsibility. So, enter responsible AI, the commitment to ensure AI system is ethical, transparent, and fair. Responsible AI ensures that the deployment and development of AI system prioritize fairness, accountability, privacy, and inclusivity. According to the report by PwC, over 85% of organizations believe ethical AI is crucial for future success. Yet only 25% have robust framework in place. So how does responsible AI achieve its goal? Let's break it down. Responsible AI operates through several core dimensions like fairness, which ensures equitable explainability, which makes AI decisions understandable. Then is privacy and security, which safeguards the data. Then comes safety, which minimizes harm. Another one is controllability, which enables human oversight, veracity, and robustness, which ensures accuracy and resilience. And last is governance and transparency, which means maintaining accountability and openness. So, achieving responsible AI comes with challenges such as bias in AI models, where systems may propagate unfair outcomes from training data, lack of transparency in decision making due to black box algorithms, and persistent data privacy concerns. Additionally, adhering to regulations like GDPR or CCPA can be daunting for organizations. To address these, cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer advanced responsible AI toolkit, which enables organizations to tackle these issues effectively and build ethical, transparent AI systems. So AWS equipped businesses that align with the core dimension of responsible AI. Here's how to implement responsible AI in any solution using AWS. Let us start with the fairness. Leverage SageMaker Clarify to detect and mitigate bias in data and model, ensuring equitable outcomes. For explainability, use SageMaker's explainability tool to gain clear insights into model predictions, enhancing transparency and trust. Further, to enable privacy and security, we can implement AWS advanced encryption and secure infrastructure to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with privacy regulations. Now moving to safety, utilizing and monitoring features within SageMakers to identify and mitigate risk during AI deployment. Further, for governance and transparency, use AWS governance tools such as AWS Artifacts to maintain compliance and provide detailed audit trails. So let us check how Microsoft Azure can help with responsible AI. Microsoft Azure empowers organizations to implement responsible AI by addressing key dimensions such as fairness, transparency, and compliance. Tools like the FairLearn package enables developers to access and mitigate fairness issues in AI models, ensuring equitable outcomes, robust monitoring to track AI models' adherence to ethical and legal standards, offering transparency throughout the lifecycle. Additionally, its support for human AI collaboration ensures effectiveness oversight through integrated workflows, fostering accountability and trust in AI systems. Now moving to Google Cloud. It provides a suite of tools to implement responsible AI, addressing critical dimensions like bias mitigation, privacy, and governance. Developers can utilize the AI explanations and what if tool to analyze model predictions and proactively identify bias in data and algorithms. For safeguarding sensitive information, Google Cloud's encryption services and differential privacy library ensures robust data protection. Further, to maintain transparency and compliance throughout the AI lifecycle, Vertex AI pipeline and model monitoring offers integrated governance features which enables end-to-end oversight of AI. So these tools collectively empower organizations to build ethical and trustworthy AI solutions. The future of AI lies in responsibility and ethics. So responsible AI empowers organizations to create systems that prioritize human values, ensuring technology serves as a force for good. So together we can build a trustworthy and equitable AI-driven world.